What's up, fellas? I'm out here rucking. It's 20 degrees. Running the jungle kit again. To the pano. I'll get back with you. I don't know if you guys saw any of that, but I was struggling with this new fire steel from Amazon. I think it's like a fat steel or something. Throws a lot of sparks, but it's a wider dispersal than some of the other ones I've used, and I made a mistake. I didn't make my tinder fine enough. I tried to go straight to kind of birch bark strips. And I got to go in eventually, but I had to crumble it up quite a bit so it'd hold some sparks. But I figured I'd leave it going so you guys could see it's not always perfect, no matter how many times you're out here doing it. But don't give up. Keep practicing. I could easily switch to a lighter and just been like, fuck it. But I'm out here to get better with my equipment, so that's what I'm doing. But quick ruck today. It's actually 23 degrees out, which is crazy. It was in the 60s all week, but got the jungle rig, Alice pack, fire's going. These Arc'teryx knee pads I've had for years, used them quite a bit. They are by far the best knee pads I've ever used. Better than the Cries, better than the Altas, the Issue ones. These are the best by far. They're comfortable, they hold up, they stay on your knee. So if you're going to be out doing infantry stuff, definitely get knee pads. If you're going to be out doing camping and woodcraft and all that kind of shit, definitely get knee pads, because there's a lot of times you got to take a knee, and these help. Nothing sucks worse than kneeling on rocks all day for weeks or months at a time. Just out here in the frac use today. Figured I'd give you guys a heads up. I'm actually been writing some articles online for a couple people and doing some different things. I'm gonna have a lot of new content coming up. But yeah, just out here today, kind of talk about some things. I figure I'd show you guys what I wear in my fucking utilities. To start out, these are Frac U OCPs. These are my favorite ones. Out of all the military uniforms, they're really comfortable. They're that lightweight pajama material. But the downside is they rip pretty easy, so keep that in mind. In my pocket, on my chest, spare ammunition for my handgun. Carry that up here. My wallet's right in here. And then shirt pocket, extra compass. This pocket, cell phone. This pocket, I got a knife, pepper spray, and a Bic lighter in here. In my cargo pocket, even if it's summertime, I always carry Nomex gloves and a fleece beanie, watch cap. You lose most of your heat through your head, so the watch cap will help keep you warm. There's a sudden temperature change. In this pocket, I usually carry a tourniquet, but it's not in there right now. It's on my kit. This pocket, got my handgun. This pocket, I got boonie that I took off with some paracord and a bag of snacks in here. So I got a little something in the pocket. And in this pocket, I'm carrying that fire steel. Often in the shirt, I'll carry that little pack I always show that I keep in my GP pouches and my rigs with the signal mirror, space blanket, VS17 panel, additional compass, some cordage, lighter, matches, and protractor and water filtration tabs. It's kind of a mini survival kit kind of deal. Pull my waffle top out. One thing about layering, I'm just wearing the silks from the eSwick system. One thing about layering is you want to wear it when you're stopped, but not when you're moving. You want to be moving, because if you layer up, you'll sweat and get your layers wet. With physical activity, now when you're hanging out, it's the time to wear them. Got a fire going here, finally. Just gonna chill out for a little bit with the Ruck jungle rig. Gotta say, I love the jungle rig so far. It's held up great. I've had it out quite a bit. As you can see, I've been rucking with it a lot. So much so that the Ruck frame is starting to wear through the pouches where it sits, but it's very comfortable. That's the only noticeable wear that I've seen, and that's from the Ruck frame sitting on top of it. But yeah, guys, I'll keep you updated on this rig. It's pretty freaking awesome. For infantry stuff right now, I think it's my favorite rig. I've been wearing it a lot, and it integrates well with this pack. This is one of my favorite packs. I believe I've shown it to you before. Medium Alice, the RTO version with the radio flap. I got my Marbles hatchet, 4 magazines, 2 liters of water all on the outside, and my MSR stove. I'll do a full video on this sometime, but basically modified it with buckles, stuck some Grimlocks up top, and yeah, that's how I run it. I'm gonna need new shoulder strap. The seams on this one went, and as you can see, this Ruck frame for the last number of years has been held together with zip ties, paracord, and 100-mile-per-hour tape. You can see rivets are coming out of it all over the frickin' place, but still works good. That's it. Just hanging out, fellas. While I'm out here talking about kit I like, let me talk about my favorite gloves, okay? These are a brand new pair. Just started using them. I've used a lot of freaking tactical gloves out there, and these are my favorite. These are just Nomex flight gloves, okay? These are the issue ones. The reason these are my favorite, for the majority of the year, they're going to be warm enough to keep your hands warm. This Nomex material is fire repellent, and it wicks away moisture for the most part. And this leather palm is also fire resistant. So in addition to doing all the tactical stuff and weapons manipulation, you can also do bushcrafty shit. Stick your hand in the fire, not have to worry about it. Pick up hot stuff, handle a hot weapon. These are perfect for it. The leather palm also makes them a lot more durable than a lot of the nylon gloves out there. And they're thin and give you really good dexterity. The only gloves I found that give you better dexterity than these are the Pig FDTs, but those don't last. I've been through 2 pairs of them. Each one lasted me about 3 months, and I wore holes through them, and the grip ripped out and everything. They're really comfortable, but their durability sucks. These last you a long time. And they're like $10, $15. So pick yourself up some Nomex flight gloves. They're freaking badass.